Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door strike in a Samsung dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door strike. The door strike is mounted on the inner side of the door. It latches into the door latch, keeping the dryer door closed. If the dryer door won't stay latched, check the door strike and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the dryer door. Now we're going to remove the door strike off the door. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to take out a couple of screws that hold the door strike. This is the old door strike next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to install the door strike on. I'm going to secure it with a couple of screws. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to tighten it yet. And I'll place second screw. Make sure it goes into these openings. And I'm going to tighten it and tighten the upper one. And now we can close the door. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.